As a health and fitness professional, you've probably been asking a lot of questions like, how do I start my business? How do I build a brand that stands out in the marketplace? How do I get published? How do I cultivate leads for my company? How do I get more clients? How do I make more money? And listen, these are all the right questions that you need to be asking. And the truth is that for many health and fitness professionals, it has been very difficult to find the answers on how to establish, market, and grow your business within this industry. And that's exactly why I created my new book, Fit Business Online. I did not want to create just another generic business book that talked only about theory. So what I did instead with Fit Business Online was I wrote an interactive workbook that guides you through every step of the process, from ideation to brand foundation to marketing and sales, to launching your business, to scaling your business and beyond. I wanted this book to propel you into action. And as an added benefit, I created a 10-part video masterclass where I personally coach you and guide you on every step of your business. So whether you are brand new to the health and fitness industry and you are looking to get your business off the ground for the first time, or if you have a business and you are trying to get that business into motion and trying to scale that business and grow that business, then this book is for you. I encourage you to get a copy of Fit Business Online. It's available now on Amazon. To join our masterclass, which is up now at fitbusinessonline.com, because I want you to get your work and your abilities and your skill sets into the hands of the people who need it the most. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to see your success.